Yo, what's up, everyone? Just gonna tag everyone in the break. Oops. Bear with me as I get through the list. Decent sized list. I think we got about 19 in it. 19 hits, 19 people. Yeah, glad to see you back there, CJ. Thanks for joining in. Let's see, a couple more people tag. How's everyone doing this afternoon? Labor Day. Okay, there we go. Full tag list there. I get on my phone so I can look at the chat. Three-box break multi-year 2015 to 2017. 2015 Black Gold, 2016 Immaculate Collegiate, 2017 Majestic. So 1 second, we'll get rolling here in a minute. So I want to get into the chat so I can respond to you guys. There we are. Okay, oh nice, 7 people in already. What's up? Everyone here, raise your hand. Present. Nah, you don't have to do that. Or do you? So there's a couple freebies there. A couple guys that traded places. Dwayne Allen, rookie patch auto on the Patriots now, and then Jacoby, who's on the Colts. I didn't have a door set. I was gonna do the one with the trade, but so if you go hitless, you'll be in a random for those 2 autos. What's up, Michael? What's up, John? Yeah, Brissett, bronze hollow from Optic, and Dwayne Allen Topps Prime patch auto. Both rookies. So if you don't get anything, any patches, autos, or Meadow logo cards, you will be entered in for that. Let me just find my thick card sleeves in. Oh, there. And we'll get rolling. Most of this is going to be thick, so gotta have that out. Jake in the house. What's up, Jake? Looking for 19 hits. The black gold, the big metal logo cards, the thick ones, those will count as hits. And then in addition to those, there's 4 patches or autos. 2 autos at least in the black gold. And then the other 2 hits can be patches or autos or the gold disc cards, which were pretty sick. Actual gold. Immaculate 5 hits, patches or autos. It's kind of random sometimes. Sometimes you get 3 autos. Steve Young incoming, yeah. Could be a good hit. Definitely seen him in there. We haven't pulled any, but we've had good luck with Immaculate, so we'll hopefully keep that rolling. And black gold's always fun. Majestic, some 2017. Haven't tried much there. But we'll get it going, guys. Oh, my cutter. Have to use my backup knife. Everything's jumbled around from my last show. Here we go. Just a little backup baby knife. We'll get it going. We'll start with 15. We'll go in order. 2015, then 16, 17. So set these hitless bonus cards aside for now. Bring our black gold up. 2015 black gold. 10 cards. 4 patches or autos, 2 metal discs, or metal logo. Oh, some lag here. Oh, okay, we're there. There's some weird lag going on, but 2015 Mariota, Winston, Gurley, Cooper, David Johnson, Kevin Wyatt, a bunch of different ones, and then there's a chance for veteran stuff in this as well, so we'll see what we get. 2 packs. Tip it down a little bit. There we go. First pack. Best of luck. We'll start with, we'll go back to front, I guess. Andrew Luck, Colts parallel card at a 199. Shadow box parallel. Oops. Oh, now. He's alright. Jumping out of my hands. Colts. Next card. Big thick one here. Giants, Lawrence Taylor, LT, so metal logo. This counts as a hit at a 49. Have to use a big sleeve for this one for now, and I'll put it in a slider box for shipment. Giants. Jake grabbing the LT out of 49, metal logo. Next card, our insert, franchise gold Titans, Mariota, Kendall Wright, and Chris Johnson. It's out of 199. Yeah, Rob's got Titans. Mariota rookie. Next card, let's see what this is. Ooh, I was hoping that was going to be an auto. Gurley at a 199 mother load. Triple patch for the Rams. Because the autos are probably on top. In this case, at the bottom. Rams is Jeff. Jeff grabbing that mother load. Just a single color on that one. And looks like our first auto is for the Bears, Jeremy Langford, sizable signatures at a 199. Single color jersey piece on card auto. There we go. Langford for the Bears. Michael Tani grabbing that. First timer mojo. There you go, Michael grabbing the Jeremy Langford patch auto. Okay, next pack of the black gold. And Colts was Michael Chapman, who had the Andrew Luck. And then we got an auto sticking right out at me. I don't want to reveal it right away. do it backwards again if it's the same setup. Here we go. Next pack. Trey Waynes, rookie Vikings. It's on the back, numbering at a 49. Vikings. Kind of the solid gold style backing on that one. They're a little different with the numbering. Trey Waynes at a 49 for the Vikings. Next card. Another veteran metal logo here. Peyton Manning, Broncos at a 149. NFL Shield, or Seal of Approval. Put this in a slider box for shipment. Big old thick guy. That counts as a hit, and that's going to the Broncos. Kevin. Cool Peyton Manning logo or shield. Next one, we got a, it's the insert. Okay, I keep seeing these triples and thinking it's going to be like a triple auto or patch or something. Triple player insert at a 199 for the Giants again. For Jake, Odell, Eli, and LT at a 199. Next card looks to be a hit. Leonard Williams, Jets out of 99. Two-color patch, motherload patch. 12 out of 99. Ooh, the next hit's pretty sick. I can see it already poking through. Keep it blocked up so you guys can't see it. And Jets was Dan Marks. At a 99, Leonard Williams. Next card, maybe you've seen it. Dez Bryant, boom, at a 25 auto. That's sick. I think Williams grabbing that. Yep, and that's why you're getting breaks week to week, William. At a 25, Gold Strike auto, Dez. Very nice hit. On card auto, a little bit of wear on the ink part there on the B, Bryant. Very sick. Very nice hit for Michael, or William, excuse me. Sorry, there's a couple Michaels. Okay, so nice box of black gold, definitely pretty good. We'll go to Immaculate next. 6 total cards, 5 hits, 1 parallel. Very nice Dez. A rib. These are too hard to slide out, so I just like to tear them apart. Got a nice tin box here. This. Okie dokie. I'll flip this over and we'll use that as a pedestal. Don't want to. Okay, it looks like the parallel's right there. So I don't want to see what's on the bottom. There we go. I don't think I revealed it to you. Hopefully not. I didn't see it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 cards here. Fatty box, yeah, it looks like a fat. 7 cards. Okay, here we go. Get this other box out of here. It's supposed to be only 6, I think. Pretty sure. Russell Wilson parallel out of 99 for the Seahawks. Going to Roger. I believe he's got the Seahawks. Yeah, he's trying to trade him last second. Mariota. This in the parallel pile. Next hit, or next card. Jared Goff, 14 out of 99, single color jumbo for the Rams. Single color, no extravagant patch. I'd like to see a nice patch every once in a while on those, but ours are usually pretty basic when we pull those. Next card, this is Colts, Josh Ferguson at 99, patch autograph, 2 color. I think that's Colts. Definitely very clean cards. I like this Immaculate. JP coming to watch the break. What up, JP? At a 99, Josh Ferguson. I think it's that's Colts. Next one we have a multiplayer patch card, Bama. Derrick Henry, TJ Yeldon, Eddie Lacy, and Kenyon Drake at a 25. So that's probably going to be a randomizer. Most likely, unless 3 out of the 4 teams are owned. Let me just check. So we got Packers, Jags, Titans, and Dolphins. Kevin. Nah. Definitely not a majority on that, so it's out of 25. Will be randomized at the end of the break. Everyone who's in it will get a chance. You'll get a chance for every team you have if you have multiple there. So we'll save that separate pile. End of the break. Oh, here's another one of these. It's probably our extra hit, maybe. Jacoby Brissett, 15 out of 25. Two color or 3. It's actually a little bit of light gray there in the bottom right. So call it 3 color. At 25. So he just got traded to the Colts. This is a Patriots Patriots card though. Checklist Patriots. Yeah, this one will have to go to the Patriots for sure. 15 out of 25. I believe that's William again. Jacoby Brissett out of 25. Pretty sick patch. Next card, patch auto. 2 out of 99. 2 color Aaron Burbridge. I think that's Niners. Someone wants to double check that for me. That'd be wonderful of you. 2 out of 99. Yeah, Lacy on Seahawks now. We're going to go by checklist for this. Adam. Whenever you run into these kind of collegiate stuff, by checklist. And I think this is Burbridge is Niners. I want to say at a 99 on-card patch auto. And we got another on-card auto here. Pharaoh Cooper is numbers auto on-card. Rams out of 11. 6 out of 11 on-card auto. Another Rams hit. Jeff's got Rams, right? Looks like Jeff. Name sleeves get out of the pack. The numbers auto. I don't know exactly what that's called. It's in the set. Something that's like the number. Yeah, Niners for Burbridge. Pharaoh Cooper Rams out of 11. 6 out of 11 on-card auto. And the last card, Paxton Lynch out of 99 on-card auto for the Broncos. So Kevin grabbing another Bronco hit. Paxton out of 99, 62 out of 99. Nice looking card. Yeah, Mariota. He was in that one the insert card, the triple player insert. That's about it so far. So there's our Immaculate Collegiate, we got a bonus card. That's cool. And we'll set that aside. And then we go to Majestic. 10 total cards, I believe, and it's 8 hits and 2 parallels. Kaiser, you bastard. See if he's in here. This is where he'll be if he's in here. Best of luck, everyone. Last box. If you missed anything, we'll do a hit recap at the end, and you can check out the Facebook Live recording right afterwards, or the YouTube about a half an hour later. So we got one pack, 10 cards. Bengals, Raiders, yeah, haven't seen any yet. Let's see what we get in here. Mix of rookies and Hall of Fame / vet hits, so we'll see if there's anything super sweet. Hope so. I don't know exactly how. We haven't opened any of this yet, so okay, yeah, parallels up top. Set it back here so we can't, it's all out of focus, we can't see it. It's our one pack empty. Okay, top card going to the Dolphins, Jai 81 out of 99. Nice embossed silvery look, pretty cool. Sleeve thing. Sleeved up. Dolphins, Ajayi, parallel. Next card, you got a Niners. Carlos Hyde out of 99, parallel card. 74 out of 99. Saw a bear. Oh. Rawr. Is it outside your house? Just kidding. Niners, parallel. Next card. Hunter Henry. See what it is, probably a patch of some kind. Chargers at a 149, Hunter Henry. Chargers, Michael Tawney. At a 149, excuse me, not 199. 10 out of 149. Next card. Colts, T.Y. Hilton. 60 out of 125, single color. Patch, let's see if that's game used. Let me read that. A little bit of wear on that bottom edge, little stovepipe action. I kind of fixed it. Looks better now. At a 125 for the Colts. Colts, Michael Chapman. Next card, we got another Brissett. See what he is. Clearly marked as a Patriot, obviously. Nice 3, potentially 4 color there. Maybe a little bit of blue, navy blue. At a 75. 5 out of 75. Going to the Pats. Lots of Pats / Colts traded. See, we started the tradition with the freebie hit there, the Jacoby Hollow. That's a nice patch. Probably number patch, looks like. Next. So we got 4 more cards. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 5. Jordan Reed at 75. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if these are game used. Player used. Player used or player worn is the thing. I wonder if that's same style kind of thing. They just put on the jerseys. Unsung Warriors, Jordan Reed, Redskins. John Sika traded for him. Okay, next card. Mason Crosby, Packers, autograph. Pretty beast kicker out of 99. Don't see a lot of kicker autographs, do you? Kind of funny. Wonder if that is hot at all. Don't really know. Mason Crosby, Packers. Gostkowski is alright, but Lorenzo's grabbing it. Got a 99 Mason Crosby. I got him on my fantasy team. Okay, next card. Another, looks like Alabama. Ardarius Stewart. 2-color patch autograph. Who's this guy for? I don't know, recognize that name. Ardarius Stewart. Alabama guy. Yeah, that Mason Crosby, you like that, I bet, Jake. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Jets. Okay. Thanks, Josh. Nice 2-color patch auto. Ardarius for the Jets. We got something. I don't know if you can see that. I want to see who's Jets before I reveal that next card. Dan Marks is Jets. Okay, next card. Ooh, nice. Mahomes, 31 out of 49, 2-color. Chiefs. It's a nice rookie auto to get, for sure. 31 out of 49 for the Chiefos. Pretty sweet. 2-color. Chiefs. Michael Tani. There you go. Got some more mojo on your first break here. Very nice hit. And the last card. Who do we have? It's a bear, like you said. Mike Singletary auto. On-card auto. That's pretty cool. For the Bears. Who's that? Can't tell if it's Roger or at a weird angle for my team list right now. Let me get in this list or the sleeve. Nice Mike Singletary on card. It's pretty sweet. Who's Bears? Bears is Michael Tani again. Michael, you hit big this break, buddy. Your first break here and you hit huge. Yeah, no Browns. Sorry, brother. Let's see if that's numbered at all. No. Just on card. No numbering, I don't see. No. Michael went crazy and got mad cards. Okay, let's do a little hit recap here. Yeah, I'll stay live and do the random right here. So yeah, stick around for that random action. Singletary for the Bears. On card auto. Mahomes at a 49. Chiefs. Ardarius Stewart Jets auto at a 199. 2-color. Mason Crosby at a 99. Jordan Reed at a 75. Brissett at a 75 as well. Nice multicolor patch. T.Y. Hilton at a 125. Hunter Henry at a 149 patch. Into that Immaculate Paxton Lynch at a 99 on-card auto. Farrell Cooper 6 out of 11 on-card. Burbridge Niners at a 99 2-color patch auto. Another nice Brissett patch. Let's call this 3-color, yeah. At a 25 Brissett. Josh Ferguson at a 99. Get a finder's fee, yeah. You should get one of the cards from your brother there as a thank you for finding this awesome break. Jared Goff at a 99. Jumbo patch. Very nice. Dez from Black Gold at a 25. Overall, definitely this was a good break for sure. We got good hits. At a 99 Jets Motherload, Leonard Williams. Peyton Manning at a 149 Seal of Approval. Metal card. Jeremy Langford Bears at a 199. That's where it all started for Michael right there. Rams at a 199 Motherload. And at a 49 LT team logo. And then we also had the Multiplayer Immaculate. Roll Tide quad patch. Lacey, Yeldon, Henry, and Drake. I just sold a card just like this, but in National Treasures on eBay today. At a 25, that's sweet. So we'll randomize that right now, and that's going to be. So this is checklist base. So Eddie Lacy would be Packers for last year. 2016 Immaculate would be Packer. Packs, Jags, Titans, and Dolphins. So stay tuned. Get him a taco. Yeah. Nice. Let me just slide over here and I'll set up our random for this. Take the card for a second. It'll pop up on screen here. Just bear with me. Randomizer. Okay, so we'll just put in teams by the top team, starting from the top to the bottom. So we got Pack up top. Let me put a screencast on this so you can see everything I'm doing. There we go. So we got Packers up top, Jags, Derrick Henry, Titans, and then oops, tight. It's nice. Dolphins. Okay, so there's our 4. Do a dice roll to see how many times you randomize. 4 or over. Here we go. 9 times on the randomizer. Top spot will win it. Best of luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. One more time. Best of luck. Top spot will win. 9 Titans. There you go. Your Titans showed up. Whoever had them, whoever sang that, I can't remember now. CJ. Oh no, Rob. That's right. Rob got the Titan hit. Got the Derrick Henry portion of that card. Congrats to him. After 9 times on it. 9 times. We're all done on that. So let's make a note that Rob is the winner. Oops. There we go. So that's it, everyone. Good break. Thank you all for joining. Lots of nice hits there. The Mariota here, I'll pull it out real quick. It's just a triple player insert. It's a rookie card for Mariota. This one right here. Mariota, Kendall Wright, Chris Johnson at a 199 from the black gold. So Mariota just showed up a little, and then you got your Derrick Henry, so that's cool. Alright guys, get this sent out tomorrow. Nice quick one to ship here. Let's see. Yeah man, thanks for joining. Appreciate it. Thanks for filling up that mini. Yeah, good break guys. Be up on YouTube in a little bit, and of course right after I stop it'll be on Facebook. Alright guys, have a good night. Happy Labor Day. Take it easy. Thanks for joining.